Hello, everybody. We are ready to start. Well, we have here an exercise to show you how the basic taste interactions change our perception of acidity. In the world of coffee, mainly for Arabicas coffee, the acidity is the brightness. The acidity is life in the coffee. Okay, and so our perception has a different moments for acidity. Okay, high temperatures affect our perception of acidity, but no, not just acidity, but the interaction among acid taste with sweet and salt. What about the bitter taste? Well, the bitter taste is part of the coffee and all of the process and all of the origins. Some origins are more bitter than others. Okay? In this exercise, I'm going to show you, or I want to show you, how the acid flavor, this is affected by the interaction among salt and sweet. But when go down to the salt part of the triangle, the bitter flavor goes up. Okay? But when we move to the sweet and acid corner of the triangle, the bitter flavor goes down. Okay? Well, during this interaction, we have the 9 basic sensations of acidity. Okay? We have 2 triangles. One of these are comparison of origins, coffees, from origins, different origins. And on the other side, we have a process. The same coffee, but with different process. Okay? The process as the origin change our perception of acidity. Okay? Well, the point of the fermentation process and everything is exactly this, change the acidity sensation. Goes from mild acidity or from a washed coffee to winey for a natural or anaerobic or honey and everything. Okay? Well, we're going to start first with the origins triangle. Yeah? This is an interact exercise because you have here the opportunity to smell the coffee. You can start with which any origins. Okay? You can start from there, here. Yeah? The objective is to try to keep in mind and then try to recognize all the different origins. This is our exercise. These cups here is a test for our memories. Okay? We have the ability to recognize these 9 sensations. We have only 3 from these 9. Okay? And so, if you want to try for smell, try to identify which origin is here. You can write down on the table. For me, this is Ethiopia. Oh, this is Kenya. Okay? At the end of the exercise, I'm going to put the correct answer. Yeah? But in fragrance, in flavor mainly, because in aroma, we need to break the cross because it's not easy to handle with our hands. Okay? During the exercise in flavor, you can get more information about which origins we have here. Okay? But the next step of the exercise is, okay, I need to identify the origin, but I need to identify which kind of acidity have each origin. Well, you have the number. If you think this is a Kenya watch, that means the acidity is bright. Okay? This is the match that we need to do with this exercise. Okay? Any question? We can start. Do you want to try? Yes, of course. And so let's move to the origin size. And the first step is get all the information in fragments to try to identify this origin. And then when we finish this, we're going to move to the process. Okay?
Perfect.
Yeah? Let's go. Well, sí, sin problema. Neutral acidity, okay? And then when we go to the sweet corner, the perception of acidity go up, that is slightly. This is more sweet, mild. This is the type of acidity for a specialty grade, from mild acidity to bright acidity. And then you look neutral, acrid or pungent, sour or piquant acidity. We don't know, or we don't have the information about the origins, okay? Because are the coffees that some people love, some people hate, okay? Acrid acidity or sour acidity. So we have the information, but we don't want to share which name is or which country, okay? To avoid any problem. Okay. So when you finish this, please try to identify the origins and the acidity. I need you, please write it down on the table.
Aquí veo. Hola.
Hola. Hola, señor, ¿cómo está?